Hi, my name is Blake, and today we're going to be talking about a new plate system for the Holley Hi-Ram intake manifold from Nitrous Express. Nitrous Express has proven themselves the next generation nitrous systems yet again with this new plate system for the Holley Hi-Ram intake manifold. Nitrous and fuel will both be injected into each cylinder from the side of the runner, providing direct port-like distribution without having a flow-restricting nozzle or spray bar in the runner. The plate is made from billet aluminum and anodized in black, with passages machined directly into the plate, so there is no need to worry about spray bars leaking, breaking, or spinning. The system will also come complete with billet aluminum and carbon fiber Lightning series solenoids, stainless steel braided lines, all wiring and hardware necessary for install, an arming switch, and a wide open throttle switch. Systems ordered with a nitrous bottle include the new billet aluminum Lightning 500 bottle valve and stainless bottle brackets.